Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to export in Clockify. All right. Just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on reports. Okay. You have all sorts of reports right here, but just go ahead and click on reports itself. Okay. Wait for it to load. As you can see here, here's your data. And what we're going to do first is just go ahead and filter it. If you want these options right here to be exported as well, just leave it as is. Okay. Tick them all. Now, as you can see here at the top or the top right, we have the date. All right. For example, we wanted to export every data in this year or within this year. All right. Here's the data. And here you have a ton of options as well, like teams, a client, a project. All right. You can go ahead and select a specific project to export. All right. Also task and tag if you want to add in some tag or status. All right. In here on the top left, we have time report, team report, and expense report. We have a detailed report here as well. Okay. Weekly and shared. So let's just go back to summary. Okay. I'm going to keep this as is. I'm going to go back to the top right this year like that and go ahead and hit on export. It could be saved as PDF, CSV, or Excel. All right. For example, I'm going to save it as an Excel file. Just wait for it and the download page will pop up just like this. I'm going to save it on my desktop. Like that, it's done. I'm going to open it up. And here you have your data. That's basically how you do it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.